Oh wow, that was blurry. Alright, so today we're going to make a ninja star. Here I got a piece of spring steel, that's what we're going to be using. And first thing, I'm going to cut off a nice rectangular piece of it. Alright, so now we're basically going to make sure it's all even on each side and forge the ends to some points. so we got it mostly forged out. As you can see, it's not perfectly symmetrical. Probably could have done a better job of that, but now we're gonna work on kind of evening out the points a bit and sharpening them. Alright, so here's our ninja star. As you can see, the points are not perfectly straight. Also, some of my cuts, I left some kind of like ledges there. But that'll definitely work. Not the best looking ninja star, but it pretty easy to make and, I mean, effective, I guess. Here's another one I made before this one. This one was made out of a chunk of drill bit used for drilling wells, and I got this one to be a little more symmetrical. But yeah. Alright, time to throw these little death frisbees. Ah, rats. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, consider subscribing.